Tara, hello.
There's a beautiful concept, one that many of us know or feel, but can't always explain. It's the idea of an invisible string, a thread that connects us to the people we are destined to meet and to the love we are meant to find.
Because being loved by you is the best feeling in the world. You stand up for people when they need it, namely Cardi B in any comment section that belittles her.
There will be no slander at this writing.
So what's it like marrying Timothy Chalamet?
Do you think he looks like him too?
Yeah.
So excited up here.
Are you having an amazing day? I'm having an amazing day. I wish I could exist in that moment forever.
It's a story that began years ago. This may come as a shock to some of you.
Whoa! Look at that handsome man!
But Jake was one of the most friendly people I had ever met, and quite literally said, "Hi, I'm Jake, we should be friends." And with a laugh, everyone knows that laugh, and immediately you'd notice a smile forming on your face. And then there's Tara. Tara had made the choice to change the course of her life at 18 years old, which led her to pursuing her education at Rutgers, and in turn led her to Jake.
I've never met anyone who enjoys everything as much as you do. In short, you're the most alive person I know. On group trips, you're the first to wake and the last to bed just to be around the people you love as much as possible. Because I fell in love with you, I fell in love with life too.
From their first encounter together, Jake made efforts to try to impress Tara by attempting to fix her uncooperative laptop at school, to which he only just made worse. But it makes for a lovely part of the story, because from that moment on, Jake and Tara couldn't separate from one another.
I love you so much.
I pride myself on being a step ahead, thinking fast, predicting what will happen next. I'm someone who sees things in black and white, literally. When I'm with you, Tara, I'm never a step ahead. How could I be? You don't think in steps, you move with rhythm. As you said, I put you in all my memories, my visions. I can no longer imagine existing without your shimmer. If I had $1 for every time someone came up to you and said, "Oh, I know who you are," I'd have all of the money in the rich man's world. And that is because you changed me.
From the moment these two met, it was no secret to anyone that the love that Jake had for her was instantaneous. It is an honor to witness this beautiful moment as your officiant and also be somewhat of a vessel between your past and your future. And it's a privilege for everyone in this room to see how Jake and Tara have transformed not only the lives of one another, but the lives around them.
You look phenomenal, Mary.
My handsome son.
Oh,
When I'm with you, I'm no longer walking in a straight line. I'm dancing. Because I've got 2 left feet, so you laugh. And your laugh is like music. It's like beautiful music. Music that makes me dance even more. And who would want to stop and walk through their life in a straight line when they are lucky enough to tango with you?
Jake, I've loved you in dorm rooms, across cities, and in 3 different apartments shared together. I've loved you in the sunshine and in plenty of storms. I've loved you when our love felt more like a crush and when it felt more like a lifeline. No matter how deeply I love you, it never feels like enough. Each morning, I don't look out the window to see if the sun is shining. I turn to you.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Have you had a good day?
Yeah, do you feel good?
Yeah, I love your hair.
Alcohol, please.
Tara, when I first met you, I thought you would be the yin to Jake's yang. The more I got to know you, I quickly realized you're also the yang to his yang. And even though you've been part of our lives for quite some time now, I and all of the Camitos are so thrilled to formally welcome you to our family. We're so happy you're here.
I watch you two grow together, and I'm so proud of the love you share. You found your perfect match. So here's to the bride and groom. May their love last as long as their PDA.
In this moment, I feel alive.
You look stunning.
I feel the fire when you look in my eyes. So tonight we light up the sky.
With you, Tara, for the first time ever, I don't need to worry about what's next. Because what's now is all I ever wanted. But just because I no longer have to worry about what's next doesn't stop me from worrying about what comes after this life. I know we have this one down pat. Promise you'll find me in the next one, okay? I won't be hard to spot. I'll be the goofy man alone in a dance class. My two left feet pointing straight ahead, tripping over myself until I find you again.
I've loved you for 9 years, and today I claim all the rest of them. I promise to find you in any room, every lifetime, and on all dance floors.
Tara and Jake, I believe that your invisible strings have been pulling you towards each other long before you met, leading you to this very moment. You may now kiss each other.
Every word you said. You gave me my favorite compliment. Just being alive.
You're the best.